I just start the demolition. On one side I removing a divider between the two closets. As you can see on the ceiling too, it's a bunch of wire what I need to dealing with. It's a switches on a hallways and a front. So this is one side. The other side I need to cut it up right there for double door. The switch I need to move it to there. So this is for now, and then this is a final product. The small area, the small door opening, I keep it, installing to the back shiplap and finish wood for shelves. Let's see inside. Inside, just installing a shoe rack. Something happened with my camera, sorry about it. So just okay, I'm installing a shoe rack. It's a simple shoe rack from big box store. One shelf, one rod, sparkled, painted, and the floor I'm installing engineered wood floor, the same color as the staircase and the top rail. So very simple. Thank you for watching.